I do want to show you a zoomed out version of our satellite and radar because I want to show you what's happening and how close that rain is to us, but we don't see it. So we do have this large stationary front that's kind of just draped across the country. We do have that front that is in Texas, but it's in the Panhandle. That's where the rain is right now, and it extends into the areas of the Midwest. That's where the flood threat is highest today and tomorrow. It's right along that stationary front, but it stays to the north. We'll see some cloud cover from this as a result along our northwestern counties, but it's not much. You kind of see it breaking up there in the last hour. Today, our temperature makes it to 91 around midday, 96 degrees around 4. It'll feel like 100 degrees though around 2 in the afternoon. We've got 10% coverage of rain today, goes slightly higher the next couple of days. But today, 96 in Dallas and in Fort Worth, 97 in Denton. 97, by the way, is normal for this time of the year. So high temperatures are actually close to normal all week long. Our timecast shows the potential for rain. Again, only 10% today. That means most of us stay completely dry. But we do see a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms, mainly to the east where there's a little bit better moisture. And then around 4, we generally see a lot of this kind of lower. Okay, so that stationary front I showed you to the northwest of us. Tomorrow, it'll play a slightly bigger role in our weather pattern. It is going to help bring in some showers and thunderstorms, and this happens around midday. But it's only if the outflows make it into North Texas. So it's kind of a wait and see kind of game. I'm just telling you the chances there. We've got 20% coverage. And in the afternoon, once temperatures climb a little bit, we could see some added activity kind of bubbling up south of DFW. Again, 20% coverage, meaning most of us won't see the rain. With any thunderstorm that takes shape, gusty winds up to about 50 miles per hour will be possible, as well as the brief heavy rainfall. Our timecast for Wednesday shows activity still about a 20%, but more isolated in nature. And then we see lower rain chances come Thursday, and we stay rain-free Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again, it's that ridge of high pressure that is generally what brings in the heat this time of the year. That has scooted well off towards the west, and it allows these disturbances to move into North Texas because we're not right under the heat dome. What's right under the heat dome does have heat alerts right now. That extends from Arizona, California towards the Pacific Northwest. Meanwhile, we see temperatures that are close to normal for this time of the year. And like I mentioned, normal is about 97, 96. The heat index on any given day, though, will be in the triple digits because it is summertime after all. This time of the year, we also see the tropics ramp up, and we do have a couple areas of interest, mainly in the central Atlantic. However, Tropical Storm Erin has already formed off of the West African coastline. Right now, it's moving to the west at about 20 miles per hour, so it's moving pretty quick. A lot of models showing this moving towards the west and staying just to the north of Puerto Rico, but likely to become our first hurricane of the season sometime this week. It'll likely strengthen to a major hurricane that's Category 3 or higher, so it looks like it makes it to a Category 3 by Saturday morning. We don't see any direct impacts from that. In fact, we stay pretty normal for this time of the year. We do have a little bit of rain potential this week, but most of us, like I said, mid-90s through the weekend, upper 90s next week. We'll be back.